naglalakad lang ako. Wala lang. Naglalakad lang ako kasi na-stress ako sa loob ng bahay. Kaya, you know what? I've decided to just go for a walk and just breathe. Ito yung ano ko, paligid ko. Yan. Kaya isasama ko kayo sa sa aking paglalakad. Kapag naka 10,000 steps ako ay hihinto. But maglalakad lang tayo, okay? Papakita ko sa inyo ang mga paligid ko. Yan yung isang side sa river. Dito sa nilalakaran ko. Bridge to. Tapos nag-cross lang. Yan yung side. And the rest. And carry on tayo. That's the other side. Ito yung river. Yan. Maganda dito maglakad-lakad, guys. Kapag maganda ang panahon. Nasa 2,500 pa ako. Pero, kakayanin ko to hanggang sa ilan yung ma-achieve ko na steps today. Ganito kasi yan. Pag feel mo na na-stress ka or feel mo na na-anxious ka, dati nasa loob lang ako ng bahay, umiiyak, nagdadrama. Like, hindi yung sarcastic na drama. Yung talagang iiyak ko talaga ng iiyak. But now, I've learned na kapag I'm feeling like that, lalabas lang ako, then I feel a lot better. Kaya, you know, if I feel better, I feel like I have achieved something para sa sarili ko. Wala ako sa frame, para sa sarili ko. Kaya, you know what? We're just gonna go for a walk. You know, just gonna keep talking, but I'm just gonna go for a walk because it will make me feel better and it's good for my mentality. And basically, because obviously it's an exercise. Walking is an exercise, right? So we're just gonna keep walking. At pag ganito naman ang paligid mo, then why would you waste it, diba? So, let's lakad-lakad. Lakad tayo. Guys, may nakikita akong upuan. Upo tayo. Dali lang. Upo tayo. So, ang ginagamit ko ang tracker kung ilang steps na ako ay ang phone ko, yung health tracker. Malapit na ako sa 4K. Kaya, makukuha ko tong 10K kasi pag na-reach ko ng 5K, tapos iikot ako, pagdating ko sa bahay, di 10K na, o diba? Kaya, gusto ko talaga i-achieve to, guys, araw-araw na 10K steps. But sometimes I'm so tamad. But when I'm feeling really anxious, I have to like just go out. Just go out. Labas ka lang, labas. And how many times I've said this, that if you suffer from mental health or whatever that may be, please seek help because no one will help you until you ask for one, because they won't know and they don't know what is going on with you until you share it to people. There's some people that may not listen to you because I've been there, but if there's one person that will listen to you and care about you, then that's all worth it. So please share to people. I know it is very hard It's exhausting to tell people, but that is the only way that they can help you until you share it to them on what's going on with you. So yeah, this road, that road, it looks like a never-ending road, right? But there is an end. It really reminds me of my childhood, where I live in the Philippines. Oh, yes, it really brings back memories. It's, what is that called? I can't remember. There's a word for it, but it's really weird. Yeah, it brings back memories. Almost 5K na ako, guys. Almost 5K na. Pakapinan ko lang ng konti. Pakapinan? Anong Tagalog sa pakapinan? Basta, in more than 5K ko, tapos, iikot ako para pauwi na. So, I achieved my 10K steps for today. So, nag more than 5K na ako na steps, pero patuloy pa rin ako. Kasi wala lang. Gusto ko lang pakapinan. Tapos, iikot tayo. Ipakita ko sa inyo yung end na iikot ako, pabalik pa uwi. So doon tayo, guys, nakikita nyo yung sasakyan na yan. Pag maabot natin yung sasakyan na yan, it means na iikot na ako, pauwi na. Siguro mga ano na, pag hanggang doon, mga 5.5K steps na. Ayan, yun, hinihingal ako. Oh my goodness. And I am so proud kasi pagaling sa bahay ko till the end na yung may sasakyan, 8K yun. Galing sa bahay ko to sasakyan, 4K. Pabalik, 8K siya. So it means naglalakad ako, nilakad ko ang 8K. Diba? Tinatakbo ko to dati, but at the moment hindi mo na ako tatakbo kasi I'm not really ready na talagang tatakbo ng tatakbo. I tried but I failed. Kaya ilalakad ko na lang. And lakad ko ng 8K. O diba? Naka 8K distance pa ako plus more than 10,000 steps. Kaya I will update you kung ilan talagang steps ang nagawa ko hanggang sa makauwi ako ng bahay. And there! Malapit na tayo. Iikot lang ako hanggang sa matouch ko ang gate and then I will ikot pabalik. Yun na yung gate. Umikot na ako kaya pauwi na ako, guys. I'm so proud of myself. Like, I'm so proud of myself. There, pauwi na ako. Ito yung view ko pauwi. Yan. Yan. O, diba? Ang tahimik. Kaya gusto ko naglalakad ako dito kasi mas tahimik kaysa pupunta akong town maglalakad. Ay nako, daming tao. Guys, diba sabi ko kanina uupo ako? Hindi pa talaga ako umuupo hanggang ngayon. Naka na ako. Naka 6+K na ako na steps. Kakaupo ko lang. Kaya I'm so like tired and exhausted, but I'm okay. May dadaan na mga bike. Ewan ko kung makikita nila ang aking phone. Nadadaan sila. Siguro iniisip nila na napaka-weird kong tao, but I don't know. Hindi nila nakikita. Kaya tingnan nyo po. Guys, I know it's windy. Update ko lang kayo. I am on 7.5K steps. 7.5. Malapit na. Wala pa nga ako sa halfway sa bahay ko eh. So, this is gonna be more than 10k steps and I am so proud of myself. Alam nyo, nakakaano ako dito, nakakasigaw kasi walang tao, ako lang. Me! Only me! Tapos may tao pala doon sa baba. Sabihin, nangyari sa'yo. What is the matter with you? Guys, 9k steps na ako. 9k na! It's a bit windy, but look at my surroundings. 9k! Almost there, almost there. And magkukross lang tayo dyan sa bridge na yan. Pauwi sa amin. Hi! Look at my shadow. Cross lang tayo sa bridge. Cross. 500 na steps para mabuo ko ang aking 10k. Mabuo to kasi malayo-layo pa ako sa bahay, guys. Malayo-layo pa, kaya mag-over to ng 10k. Update ko kayo. Tanggal ko ng aking glasses, guys. I did it. 10k steps. I did it today. I'm so happy that I went out, released all the stress out, and just went for a walk, and I felt a lot better. So if you feel that way, and if you can't go out, just go for a walk or jog or something, then go for it. It will really help you a lot. And I hope that I have encouraged you to do it, you know, just to get out the house. I know it's pandemic, but you still can go out for a walk if you can. If you can go out for a walk outside, then just do it. Kaya yun, I'm almost home na, and it's more than 10k steps. I will insert the picture here to show you. Guys, I will see you next time on my next video. Bye!